morning, everybody. Welcome to this installment of Mike's Vehicle Vlogs. Thanks for joining me today, because today we have our first official cold start video for the 2024-2025 winter season. It is January 10th. It is about 7:25 in the morning, and it is currently 3 degrees. It's pretty calm right now. Wind chills were rated at about -1 when the wind is blowing. So this morning before I go to work, we're going to start all 3 cars and as usual, see how they do in the extreme cold temperatures. Let's start with the Civic. Very frosty. Didn't get any snow last night. We're supposed to be getting snow tonight, actually. So obviously the Fiesta and the Civic have both been driven. Oops. This thing hasn't been driven in about a week, nor has it been started in about a week. So we'll save that one, as usual, last. So the battery in this car is about 2.5 years old, maybe. Of course, I parked the wheel weird. We'll go ahead, turn all this off for now. Everything's very cold. The car does say 4. I could be able to move that. Okay, here we go. Like a champ. Alright. I've only been out here for a few minutes and my ears are already freezing. Okay. So now, let's do the Fiesta. The battery in the Fiesta was replaced. I always forget the exact year. It was right around Christmas time. I think of either I think it was 2022, December of 2022. I had to replace the battery. 54,584 on the clock. Turn that off. Turn that off. Here we go. Yay. Whew. This car does say 3. Man, it sounds cold. Cars, the way they make, noises. So we'll let that run for a little bit. And lastly, the Grand Am, which for sure looks like it has not been driven in a little while. Nice work of art there as far as the snow hanging down. Something's been running along here, probably one of the bunnies. Quite a few bunnies. Oh my god, I'm gonna pull my door handle right out. There we go. There we go. Nice. Whew. So this one has a junkyard battery, a $35 junkyard battery from I don't know how old the battery is, but I bought it in the summer of 2021. This battery has actually been pretty impressive. Alright, here we go. Let's turn that down. 134, 821 on the clock. It cranked like what, once? Not even that. That was pretty impressive. Alright, so there we go. Yes. Cold starts. How fun. Now that door's not going to shut. Whew. My car hasn't even started to, a little bit. Heck yeah. Gosh, even the headlights are steaming. So that's gonna do it for our first, maybe only cold start. This cold, I don't know. We're still at the very beginning of winter, so you know how that goes, but 3 degrees is pretty cold. Makes for a decent cold start video. All 3 cars were a success this morning. That's all that I have at this time for you guys. So, as usual, if you guys enjoyed this, thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one at some point. Sorry this one was so short, but you know, the cold start videos usually aren't that long anyway. I just like watching all the steam when it's when they're warming up. Yeah, that's fun. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care.